What if I told you the IRS will sometimes agree to stop collecting from you entirely? No payments, no levies, no phone calls. It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It's a real status with a boring official name, currently not collectible, or sometimes we call it hardship status. Here's what it is and whether it might fit your situation. Currently not collectible, or CNC, is what happens when the IRS looks at your finances and concludes you genuinely cannot pay. Not that you don't want to, that you can't in basic living expenses. When the IRS puts you in this status, active collection stops. They're not going to levy your bank account. They're not going to garnish your wages. They back off. And here's the part that most people miss. You don't have to be destitute to qualify. The IRS uses its own standards for what counts as necessary living expenses: housing, food, transportation, healthcare. If your income covers those and not much else, the math may put you in not collectible territory. Now let me be straight with you because I won't sell you a fantasy. CNC is not forgiveness. The debt doesn't disappear. Interest and penalties keep running in the background. The IRS can still file a tax lien to protect its interest, and they'll review your situation from time to time. If your income goes up, they can take you out of the status and start collecting again. But here's why it can still be a powerful move. The IRS only has 10 years to collect a tax debt, and that clock keeps ticking while you're in currently not collectible status. So for some people, CNC becomes a bridge. The IRS can't touch you, the 10-year clock runs out, and the debt expires. Legally, permanently. To get there, you just have to show the IRS your real financial picture in their format the right way. Do it wrong, and you hand them a roadmap to your money. Do it right, and you buy yourself peace and time. After 32 years, I've watched this status give people room to breathe when they thought they didn't have any. No more dreading the mail, no more flinching when the phone rings. If you're underwater and the IRS is circling, you may have more protection available than you think. Let's talk. We'll find out if currently not collectible is the right play for you. Thanks for watching.